The computer that changed the world just got a heart transplant. For a decade, we looked at the desktop as a stagnant category, a place where innovation went to move slowly. But then, Apple did the unthinkable. They took the most powerful silicon on the planet and shrunk it into a box that fits in the palm of your hand. We saw the first revolution with the M1, the refinement with the M4, but what's happening in 2026 is something entirely different. The leaks are no longer just whispers, they are a roar. Deep inside Apple's roadmap, the Mini name is about to become a total contradiction. This isn't just a spec bump. This is the moment the compact desktop officially kills the tower. This is the definitive deep dive into the Mac Mini M5. To understand the gravity of the M5, you have to look at the state of the world right now. We are no longer in the era of faster browsing or smoother windows. We are in the era of localized artificial intelligence. Every tech giant is racing to put a supercomputer on your desk that doesn't rely on the cloud. And Apple's answer is the M5, built on an advanced third-generation 3nm process. The M5 chip is the first processor designed specifically to handle the sheer weight of Apple Intelligence at its full potential. We are talking about 10 CPU cores, 4 for raw performance and 6 for incredible efficiency. But the real story is the GPU. The M5 introduces a next-generation 10-core GPU architecture that adds something called a neural accelerator into every single core. This isn't just a marketing buzzword. This is a fundamental change in how the chip thinks. These accelerators allow the GPU to perform AI-based workloads at 4 times the peak performance of the M4. Think about that for a second. We're not talking about a 10 or 20% jump. We are talking about a 400% explosion in AI compute power. This turns the Mac Mini M5 from a desk accessory into an AI edge node, a machine that can render, generate, and analyze data locally with a speed that used to require a server rack. But why does this matter for the average person in the US? It matters because the friction of creative work is finally being erased. If you're a video editor in Los Angeles or a developer in Austin, your biggest enemy is wait time. With the M5 Pro variant, coded in leaked files as J873S, Apple is bringing Thunderbolt 5 to the Mini for the first time. We're moving from 40 gigs to 120 gigabits per second. This isn't just about faster hard drives, it's about a modular ecosystem. You can plug in a single cable and drive 3 8K displays while simultaneously pulling data from a high-speed RAID array. The Mac Mini M5 is becoming the brain of a professional studio that doesn't take up any desk space. One of the most controversial leaks of early 2026 surrounds the memory. For years, we fought over 8 gigabytes of RAM. Apple finally moved to 16 gigabytes as the baseline with the M4, but for the M5, the floor is being raised again, to handle the new large language models that macOS Tahoe is bringing to the table. The M5 Pro models are rumored to start at 24 gigabytes, or even 32 gigabytes of unified memory, and with a memory bandwidth of 153 gigabytes per second, a 30% jump. The data pipeline is finally wide enough to keep up with the GPU's demands. This is the end of the spinning beach ball